Hey everyone. Yeah, back at the shop. I was supposed to go camping today, but it unfortunately didn't work. Things happen, unfortunately. So I got a really cool decal for my birthday on the weekend. It looks awesome, so I'm gonna install that today on my tailgate. I just need to figure out where it's gonna look good, and then we're gonna go from there. So let's get at it. Thanks. I don't know if you're going to be able to see this or how well you're going to be able to see this, but it has a truck and it says Gemini, and all the letters kind of make the rooftop tint on my truck in the windows. It's going to look pretty cool on my black truck. I just need to figure out where I want to put it. First things first, what I want to do is I want to just wipe this down. I have some goo gun just to clean stuff off, but couldn't find any iPhone. So I went and washed my truck, and then I'm going to figure out where I'm going to put this. I'm not 100% sure. I know I want it here, I just don't know if I want it low, because there's like kind of a bubble, or if I want to keep it within the bubble. Let's see here. That might be alright. The stars are going to go up into that, but move it over. Yeah, I think that's gonna be good. I'm just not too sure if this is gonna be straight or not. There we go. I found the spot. I think it's gonna be okay. I'm just gonna have to be. This part doesn't really matter, but there's some stars that are gonna go up into this. It's gonna have to do, but now I'm just gonna peel this back, peel off that. And speaking of which, I need to get my scraper thing. Thank God for a girlfriend that has a Cricut. Got that. Now I need to peel this back and take off this backing, I hope. Now just, you have to be really slow so you don't. To be going pretty. I left a couple back. Let's see. This is a problem sometimes you have. Unfortunately, I had to feeling I've run into a little bit of an issue with these stars just because they're so small. Get past this. I've watched my girlfriend enough times that I think I might have gone. There we go. Ooh, I'm missing a window. Part of my truck. Okay, now we have the other side. So we need to. Oh. Let's peel this again. But this time I removed all the tape. I don't need it to keep it anymore. Alright. This G does not want to cooperate right now. Slow, slow, slow. There we go. Now it's time to peel this off with Hooray. Okay, that's 1 star. 2 stars, 3 stars. So far so good. Okay. Really slow on a 45. Just slow, even pressure on a 45-degree angle. Everything's looking like it's coming off. Just slow. There's no rush. A little bit of a bubble in there, unfortunately. I'll have to try to see if I can fix that. Oh, I'll see if I can fix it a little bit. There's a couple bubbles. It's my first decal ever putting on, so there we go. Ooh. Okay. Let's see if I can fix it. Alright everyone, done. Sorry, this is probably going to be a really short video. I wasn't expecting that to come out quite so easy, but whoops, this thing is being temperamental. Alright, there we go. There it is. Has my astrological symbol. It says Gemini with my truck. This star is my star constellation, and same with this. Looks awesome. Thanks, Sherry Lynn. It was awesome. Love it. All right, I'm gonna call this a day. Go home and edit this video, and I will see you on the next one. It'll be camping for sure. Have a good one. Like, subscribe if you like these videos. If you don't, then don't. Have a good one. Bye.